Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down Breaking Bad Season 5 Episode 9, Blood Money, one of the most important episodes of the last season. This episode is not built around a big bang. Instead, it slowly increases the pressure. Hank starts to connect the dots. Walt tries to protect the life he left behind. Jesse struggles with guilt. And a thing that should have been meaningless suddenly becomes the key to everything. Let's get into it. The episode opens after a significant time jump. Walter White seems to have moved on from his old life. He is no longer actively running his meth operation. His cancer has come back, but he's still trying to maintain the appearance of a normal family man. However, the opening immediately tells us that something is wrong. We see an older, more isolated Walt returning to its former home. The house is abandoned and surrounded by police barricades. This creates a big mystery. Why is Walt back? What happened to the life he was trying to protect? And why does he seem to be so desperate to retrieve something hidden inside the house? The episode does not immediately answer these questions. Instead, it sends us back into the past. One of the biggest breakthroughs involves Hank Shader. Hank has spent years chasing the mysterious drug king. For most of the series, he never realizes that Heisenberg is standing directly in front of him. But now, Hank's investigation takes a shocking turn. While using the bathroom in Walt's house, Hank sees something. A book. More specifically, a dedication written within the book. The name Gail Boetticher immediately catches her attention. Hank remembers Gail. He remembers that Gail was connected to the Blue Meth operation. And suddenly, the pieces start to fall into place. A book is no longer just a book. It's proof. Hank starts thinking about Walt. Not like his brother-in-law. Not like a mild-mannered chemistry teacher. But as a potential suspect. Hank connected the points at 3:30. This is one of the most powerful moments in the entire series as Hank doesn't immediately confront Walt. Instead, he investigates. He goes back through the information he already knows. Chemistry. The disappearance of money. Connection with Jesse Pinkman. The mysterious blue meth. Gail's murder. And now the book. For years, Hank had been looking for someone outside of his family. But the person he was hunting would be sitting at his dinner table the whole time. The psychological impact of this discovery is enormous. Hank has always been one of those people that Walt couldn't completely control. Walt can hook Jesse up. He could scare off criminals. He could have lied to Skyler. But Hank was different. And now Hank finally has a reason to take a closer look at Walt. Meanwhile, Walt is trying to lead a sober life. She has a bad relationship with Skyler. She knows exactly what kind of person Walt has become, and their relationship has lost almost everything that made it normal. Walt insists that the threat is over. He wants to believe that he's done with the drug business. But the episode makes something very clear. Walt may have stopped cooking, but Heisenberg didn't disappear. His decisions are still affecting everyone around him. And the results are starting to come back. Jesse's story takes a particularly emotional turn. Unlike Walt, Jesse has never been comfortable with what he's become. The money, violence and people dying because of the drug business has had a huge psychological impact on him. At one point, Jesse becomes desperate to get rid of his money. But instead of just throwing it away, he gives it to strangers. He walks through the neighborhoods and begins to leave cash behind. It's almost like Jesse is trying to make the money disappear. But money isn't really the issue. The problem is what money represents. Every dollar reminded Jesse of the people who suffered because of his operation. Jesse wants freedom from guilt.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.